Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to tag someone on a Facebook post. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are a couple of different ways you can go and tag people on Facebook. So first of all, just go to the Facebook homepage and click on What's on Your Mind. Now what you can do is tag somebody in the overall post by coming down into the second section and clicking on Tag People. You can then choose who you want to tag and press Done, and then you can go make your post. Alternatively though, you can go and tag somebody in a photo. To go and do that, I'll just restart the post. All you need to do is go and add the photo you want to do this with, and then I'll press Done. And you can then go and click on the photo, and you want to go to the top, click on that person with the tag icon, and then what you can do is tap a face to tag, and you can then choose who you want to go and tag. You can then press Done in the top right and click on Done again in the bottom right, and you've then tagged that person in the photo. You can tag multiple people as well. So that's basically how you can tag someone on a Facebook post. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.